So you want to know how to set up Polar and what questions they ask about your website or your business during the setup of Polar, and whether your business or website is accepted on Polar. Maybe you've been denied by Lemon Squeezy and are looking at Polar right now. I will show you in this video. So let's go. When you first set up Polar, you create an account and then you create an organization. Once you have entered your organization name, you are entered into the dashboard that looks like this. And you can immediately start creating a product with a price tag and share it and start selling. So that's super nice. But to get payouts, you need to set up your organization and enter some details. For that, you can go to the Finance tab over here. I think this is zooming in. Yes, Finance. And then under Income, you see a notification over here. You need to set up a payment account to receive payouts. And then you click on Setup. And then you are met with this page, account page. Set up your payment account, payout account. And this is some just basic information about what your website or business does. Here, your name, support email, your website, maybe even social media, and then some details, describe your business, what your business does. So here I've entered some information. We have a SaaS tool to help users create better product photos. And then what you sell credit packs for photo generation. Users buy credit packs for photo generation. Period. And then how will you integrate Polar into your business? Checkout on a website, API for subscription billing, and webhooks to handle order events. Basically, like that, a sentence, super easy. Just say how you will use it, similar like Lemon Squeezy. Main customer acquisition channels. For me, that would be the website with SEO and social media. Here, just click it, expected revenue, and then select if you are switching from Lemon Squeezy, for example. And then you can click submit for review. So what businesses are accepted on Polar? Because they are asking here, yes, tell us about your organization so we can review if it's an acceptable use case for Polar. For that, you can go to, am I still zoomed in? No. Here, polar.sh/docs/merchant of record/acceptable use. Or here in the sidebar, if you go to the doc page of Polar, you can scroll down under merchant of record, MOR, and then acceptable use. And here is a list of basically whatever Polar is meant for. In general, it is meant for software as a service websites. And here they're telling you that. So acceptable use, software as a service, and digital products. Like templates, PDFs, code, stuff like that. Mainly like digital stuff. Premium content, maybe general rule of accepted services, digital goods, software or services that can be fulfilled immediately. So either by setting up like a file in Polar that's immediately sent to the customer when they buy, or your backend immediately fulfills the order by generating some data or having some access. So nothing that takes, for example, a day to fulfill, so you have to do manual labor for it, that will probably not be accepted. And then also nothing illegal, unfair, just general stuff. Here's a very big list of prohibited services. I'll zoom in. Just illegal stuff. Significant risk. Physical goods, human services, so anything that takes time to fulfill. OnlyFans. There we go. Low quality. Crypto, NFTs, get rich quick schemes, financial services. Spyware. These are quite basic and I think fair for prohibited businesses. But if your website is just a general SaaS, I think you should have no problem of getting accepted. And if you want to be sure before you set it up, you can also on this page find the reach out to us in advance link, and then you can send them an email or a message on Discord asking, hey, this is my business, I plan to use Polar because I'm unsatisfied with Lemon Squeezy, will you guys accept me? And the guys on Polar, you can probably also tweet them, they seem very nice and accepting. So yeah, that's basically how you set up Polar, the questions they ask about your business before you get accepted. I hope this was helpful, and let me know if you have any questions in the comments. I'll be glad to make a video for you. That's it. Bye.